vlogs. We're here for Nemesis opening. The queue's moving. Whoa! Can I just say, I have got, oh hang on, bear with. I've got a red top on, but it's cold. So I want something red and black, but I'm now Roxy. Galactica. Is that a jet watch? I'm always there. I don't really even want to go on Nemesis, to be honest. It's so good to be back at my favourite theme park in the UK! Literally give me 10 minutes, I will stop screaming. I'm just excited right now. Merch. What the hell? What is going on? This is weird. Oh my god. I've got the chills. Okay, literally look. Sam, what are you thinking so far?
I'm thinking that this queue is ridiculous.
Yeah, it's a bit ridiculous. I'm so excited. I'm like ridiculously excited. What the hell? Why is there a bloody helicopter? Literally look. This is crazy. This is actually ridiculous. Like, if you don't know where I am, I'm literally walking towards Cass. This is crazy. Oh, okay, I say I'm walking towards Cass. I am now in Cass. Oh my god. I won't show inside, but we've just had the loveliest card from Jamie. Thank you so much. Like, this is so cute. I'm obsessed. This is literally so sick. Like, you've got the veins that say Forbidden Valley and it's over what says the Phalanx facility. That is so sick. I'm not really sure what's going on.
Sorry.
I think it's having a moment. Are they okay? I'm not sure. Look, I know I have already pointed it out, but like, I'm just appreciating it. And look how dead Subterra is. I think it's just shut.
It's in his test subject.
Oh, what's happened?
It's fine. Everything's under control, actually. What did you do your thesis in? My thesis in science.
There's a whole drama going on. That's a bit of a domestic. Yeah. I think that's a domestic.
Really funny how person you just realise how far my planet goes through creation water.
Oh my, wait, I have to. Oh my god. This vlog has literally just been the queue, but I might cry. Look at the nails. Dedication. I'm so excited. Seek that truth! Seek that truth! Seek that truth! Seek that. Oh. What the fuck is happening? I'm literally about to cry. It's like I'm seeing the Disneyland castle again. When I say I'm literally bawling, I'm literally bawling. Look at the tears. Look how cool. It's so cool. I can't cope.
Lipstick.
Look, it's track. It's track. When it goes past, this actually shoots at it. See? Look, it shoots at sick. Another Easter egg. It says secret weapons 30. We're still not going to get on Nemesis for like 10 hours, but the lipstick will come off, so I know it's just going to get ruined anyway. Look. It looks so good. We've got another Easter egg. Look, you've got John Wardley. Oh, if I point it doesn't make sense. You've got John Wardley, JW94, obviously that's the date of the original Nemesis opening. And then you've got JB, which is John Burton and 24. I love how they've used some of the props from Nemesis closing. That's so cool. I love that. There's another bit of track. That's crazy.
No.
Look at the smoke. Can I just say this is going to be its own video because this is like a 10-hour queue. hours.
10 hours, but no, that is a lie, isn't it? You fabricated the truth there, and I don't agree with it.
Look, there's been a crashed helicopter. Oh no! It's raining. So it has started raining, and we're so close to getting on with finding the station. I don't know why I care if it's raining, because my hair's not actually curly and it's curled, but I did actually wear a red top, by the way, but it's too cold. I've been waiting for this moment all year. I've literally waited for this moment since November 2022 when it closed. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to give you my review. If you haven't, for extra cool content, I can't even see. I still can't see. For extra cool content, like, comment, subscribe. Before I nearly died, no one else on YouTube looks like this. Commitment. Oh my god!
Right, don't scream in here because it might echo.
I'm very told to scream. This is so cool.
Nemesis stop. Rotate next train. Not rotate next train.
What? Oh my god, this is so cool! What the hell? This is sick! We're coming on! It's raining, but we got front row. Oh my god, my septum. That was incredible. I say everything's my number one, but that's my number one. It's back! I'm so happy it's back! He's so uninterested. Look how just insanely clean this ride is. It is absolutely mental. Like, this re-theme, this is better than Disney, to be honest. And I sound really awful saying that because I am a huge Disney person, but it is so much better than Disney. Like, this animation is absolutely spectacular. So I forgot to do, I was editing my vlog this morning and I realised I forgot to actually review what I thought of Nemesis. So I'm literally just outside, it's just going round, it's day 2. I am vlogging today, but that's separate, so make sure you go and watch that vlog when it's out. But yeah, I can honestly say that that was amazing. Obviously it's not as intense, but any brand new B&M Invert is not going to be intense straight away. Like, it's something, you know, like varying how the ride goes throughout the day, and also how the ride ages in general. So like 10-20 years, it will be so much more intense. Literally just look at it. I'm going to get blown away in a minute, but it is absolutely insane. Definitely my UK number one at the moment. Yeah, they have done Nemesis so many favours. So we're now in the queue for food. Gonna end this Nemesis video in here. Make sure to tune in tomorrow because there'll be a vlog. But yes, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.